Hello, everybody that's joining us for this tech session on the exciting new partnership between HCL Software's Domino and Panopta. So you're probably asking right out the gate, what is Panopta and what's this new partnership about? Hopefully you heard a little bit about this exciting new partnership in the keynote from the Domino 11 launch. I'm here to get into a little bit more detail on exactly what this new partnership means for you. So first off, I want to tell you a little bit about what Panopta is and why this is relevant for you. If you're a Domino admin, you're running a Domino environment, why am I interested in what this Panopta thing is? And really, to boil it down simply, the tagline here is what we help you with. Panopta gives you insightful performance monitoring of your Domino servers, of your Domino environment, and much, much more. So to talk a little bit about what Panopta is, we've been around for 10 plus years, and our mission is to help IT teams get more time back on their hands. And we do that by helping them manage large-scale infrastructure monitoring and giving them a single pane of glass, regardless of whether or not they have servers, network devices, and more on-prem, in the cloud, multi-cloud, hybrid, whatever deployment model that your infrastructure's in, that's how we help you get a better grasp of. Beyond the monitoring, what we really empower our customers with is, of course, the monitoring of all their health and performance metrics, network information, application metrics, network availability monitoring. We roll all of that up into extremely usable and practical dashboards that teams can use in their browser, on an overhead monitor in their war room, in the NOC, wherever. But we go beyond monitoring because our mission is to give IT admins their time back. We also provide a complete incident management experience inside of the Panopta tool. Our philosophy is that you should monitor everything, but only be alerted on the things that matter. So we've baked incident management and automated remediation into the platform as well. You see some logos here, which are just a variety of examples of some of the large-scale enterprises that we work with. And we work with all different sizes of companies. So you might be wondering, there's the HCL logo here on the slide. Why is that relevant? Well, the reason for this partnership with HCL Software, and specifically with our first-class integration that we've built out for Domino, is because HCL has been a happy Panopta customer for almost 2 years. And when the partnership opportunity presented itself to us at Panopta, we were really excited to take the reins and help build that out so we can help amazing customers like you of Domino truly be #Domino forever. From what we've learned helping HCL monitor their own environments, Domino and otherwise, when the opportunity to partner presented itself, and we knew that we could build first-class integration with Domino together with the actual developers of the tool, we jumped at the opportunity. And so over the course of the last few months, we've been working on a native first-class integration with Domino to give all Domino customers that upgrade to Domino 11, they're giving all Domino customers that upgrade to Domino 11 with some backwards compatibility for Domino 9 and 10 as well, this first-class monitoring integration. And so to that end, we've built out a couple of really exciting things specific to Domino. First and foremost, we have pre-built Domino dashboards that give Domino admins immediate insight into the most relevant health metrics that let you know how your Domino deployment is performing just at a glance. Beyond that, we're still in active development with the Domino developers at HCL to build in out-of-the-box thresholds based off best practices so that you don't have to overthink for the 2,000 plus metrics that Domino outputs, which ones are most relevant for me to know if they spike or if they stop reporting data. We're working with a team that builds Domino to have those thresholds set right out of the box. It significantly reduces the amount of time it takes to get this monitoring platform from Panopta implemented and onboarded, Because what we want is for you guys to see the value in this as soon as you sign up for a free trial, which we'll get to the offer at the end, which is very exciting. The last thing, once again, going back to the kind of the three legs of the Panopta platform, monitoring, incident management, and automated remediation. The last one is automated runbooks to minimize the kind of manual tasks that you might find yourself doing on a daily, weekly, monthly basis in response to the most common types of incidents. And so by January 6th, when the trial will start for this special offer, which once again, we'll get to that at the end, but by the time January 6th comes, we will have automated runbooks, once again, developed in conjunction and in partnership with the Domino development team at HCL, automated runbooks that you can choose to use right out of the box to solve the most common issues with a deployment without needing any sort of manual intervention. Not only heavy-handed remediation, like restarting a really noisy service, but also an automation of the triage and diagnostics that you would normally do when you get alerted to an incident. So look out for that. It's very exciting. It completes this whole picture of what Panopta really brings to the table. And so what I want to do next is just do a very brief overview with one of my colleagues, Shabir Karimi, to go over what the Panopta deployment architecture looks like. We are a SaaS-delivered platform, and I want Shabir to talk just a little bit about exactly what that means and all the different vantage points that we monitor from. When he's finished with that, we're going to jump right into a very specific demo focused exclusively on this custom integration that we've done with HCL Domino. All right, Shabir, take it away.
Thanks, Robert. My name is Shabir, and I'm going to provide you with a brief overview of the Panopta monitoring platform, and specifically the integration we've worked on with the HCL software group to give you out-of-the-box monitoring for your Domino environment. Panopta is a cloud-delivered solution, so you don't have to worry about deploying and managing an enterprise monitoring platform of your own. Instead, you'll use one or more of our monitoring methods to gain visibility into your network. So let's cover those now. The first vantage point that I'm highlighting here is our network of public monitoring probes. Using these probes, you can monitor any of your publicly facing services from the outside world, like a web application, your data center edge, or other services like mail. You can monitor for availability, performance, and ensure that applications are functioning using our deep synthetic monitoring capabilities. Next, we'll move to your private network. Using our vCollector deployed behind your firewall, we bring that same type of synthetic monitoring and uptime monitoring capability to your private infrastructure, both safely and securely. In addition, the Panopta vCollector can pull health and performance information about your networking gear, whether it be a firewall, a router, a switch, or access points. The third ingestion method is our lightweight server agent. This specifically is where the out-of-the-box Domino integration comes into play. The agent deployed on Windows, Linux, or Unix servers pull health and performance information for both the underlying system and the Domino components installed there. Getting visibility into both the system and the Domino application will allow you to more effectively operate and manage your Domino deployment. The agent also incorporates our industry-leading automated remediation and incident enrichment feature called countermeasures. Countermeasures allow you to have an automated action which trigger based on incidents and conditions which are being detected. This can be used to remediate and revive whatever is failing, or can be used to capture more context and enrich the incident alert which you will receive. More to come on this during the demo later. The last ingestion method is cloud specific. If you and your company are starting to move workloads into AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google's cloud platform, Panopta can natively and seamlessly monitor infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, or software as a service. After you've installed the agent on your Domino servers, minutes later, default templates are applied and hundreds of metrics are being reported back to the Panopta monitoring platform, tracking the health and performance of your Domino installation. Again, all based in the cloud, so you can see this information instantly no matter where you are. What's up on the screen now is one of our pre-built dashboards, giving you a quick view into the critical KPIs of your Domino installation. At a glance, you can see uptime, how busy the server is, pending mail to be delivered, active sessions, mail delivered, and database throughput. If you want to make any changes, it's as easy as editing in line here to either add a new visualization or make a change to an existing visualization. There are a number of different options that allow you to change aspects of which metrics are coming through and how they're being presented. In addition to the overview dashboard here, there are a number of other pre-built dashboards which will provide other useful information into the different services running within Domino. Next, let's cover incidents, alerting, and that automated countermeasure functionality which you mentioned earlier. What we're looking at here is a main view for a Domino mail server. And here at the top, we're seeing in the red bar that a CPU overload has triggered an incident on this server. When that incident occurs, our first option is to alert our team using a workflow concept called alert timelines. The alert timeline configured on this server is called Domino admins. I'll open it up here in a new tab so we can see what that provides. As you can see here, the workflow provides multiple events, and on each event you can trigger different kinds of actions. Here we're seeing the first event fires at 0 seconds, taking a number of different actions. Those actions can include an email, an SMS to your mobile phone, an automated voice call from a robot, a push notification into Panopta's Android and iOS smartphone app, alerting into different chat tools, creating different tickets in various ticketing systems, as well as leveraging our on-call management platform, which can dynamically look up who's on call at that time and notify the appropriate team member. If the incident persists, you can define any number of escalation events so that the incident gets the right level of attention by leveraging other alert channels or seeking out other team members. Panopta allows you to define multiple alert timelines to ensure different types of incidents get routed to the right team members and using the appropriate amount of urgency. Alternatively, take incident management to the next level using countermeasures automation. When that incident triggers, runbooks can be executed to take any actions you define or capture other diagnostics needed for root cause analysis. Let's drill into that incident here. Based on that high CPU spike, we configured countermeasures to capture snapshots of system activity and other logs. Restarting services and other revival techniques are also common actions. Panopta comes pre-bundled with a number of out-of-the-box countermeasures, and post-launch, we'll continue to work with our partners at HCL to develop more Domino-specific actions. So that highlights some of the main functionality I wanted to demonstrate as part of the platform and the Domino integration. I hope you enjoyed the overview, and I'll hand it back to Robert now.
All right, Shabir, thank you very much. Yeah, appreciate you going through that architecture diagram and the demo. Hopefully everybody watching got a lot out of it. But at the end of the day, what we really want for you to get out of seeing that demo and seeing the power of this first-class integration with a world-class monitoring platform is taking the next step. And what does the next step entail? Well, it's really simple. All you need to do is go to domino.panopta.com, sign up now to start your trial, and then starting January 6th, we'll start a 30-day timer, which will give you complete access to the tool. You'll have access to the tool before then as well. If you sign up close to when we launched on December 4th, or any time between then and the end of the year, we're just giving you some extra time when people tend to be out of office, but the 30-day timer doesn't start until January 6th. If you're interested in learning anything more beyond what we talked about in today's presentation, feel free to reach out to me directly. My contact information is in the abstract on the Domino 11 launch website, and it's listed here in this presentation. Thank you so much for spending some time with us today, and stay tuned in the next coming weeks for announcements about some partner webinars and blog posts that are coming your way with more information. Thanks again, and go Domino.